Welcome to another Venopsis edition with the latest financial updates. Oil is among the losers today, falling close to 1%. Let's turn to Morgan for more of the top stories which are moving the markets.
U.S. markets will be open in about 4 hours. S&P 500 futures are down 0.4% after investors revised expectations for central bank rate cuts. Yesterday, the S&P 500 inched down 0.4% to close at $4,770. Technology was the best performing sector, with a small gain of 0.3%. Energy was the weakest, as it slid 2.4%. Let's turn to our FANGs update. The technology giant's group biggest mover today in pre-market trading is Apple. The stock is retreating 1% as the U.S. Supreme Court's rejection of the company's appeal in the antitrust case with Epic Games. Over the past month, Apple is down 7%, compared with a 1.3% return for the NASDAQ-100. Speaking of FANGs, our proprietary algorithm currently signals a buy recommendation for Meta Platforms, backed by 5 important technical indicators: the MACD, the parabolic SAR, the OBV, the 50-day moving average, and one more. From a start at 181 on Wednesday at 10 o'clock, Apple rose to 186, falling back to 181 on Tuesday at 9 o'clock, and has been trending up since, to 184 today. Here are the 3 stocks making headlines today. With the biggest loss on our list is Howmet Aerospace, which is declining 3.5% before markets open, following the company's announcement of the date it will report its Q4 and full year 2023 financial results. Howmet Aerospace is set to open today's session at $53.70. The second is QSR, which is retreating 3.5% before markets open, in spite of the company's decision to invigorate its brand and revamp the franchise model. QSR is expected to start today's session at $75.80. And lastly comes Domino's Pizza, which is climbing 3.5% in pre-market trading, after a strong performance with over $17.50 billion in global retail sales for 2022. Domino's Pizza is set to begin today's session at $426, breaking its 52-week high. Notable in the U.S. stock market: 2.6 billion S&P 500 shares, valued at $294 billion, traded yesterday in New York. The top 5 volume leaders accounted for 16% of the total trading volume. Tesla, Advanced Micro Devices, and Apple are among the volume leaders. Although Advanced Micro Devices is showing strong performance, soaring 32% over the past 3 months, our trading wizard algorithm is flashing a sell signal for the company shares. Therefore, we recommend that you consider going short and sell Advanced Micro Devices. Let's have a look at yesterday's biggest changes in trading volume. Out of the S&P 100 stocks, Boeing had the largest one-day volume change relative to its monthly average, followed by Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs. Our algo trading wizard has a buy recommendation for Boeing.
It was great seeing you again. Don't forget to check out our next edition to catch up on the day's key events.